This week we're rolling out 2 extended length 1/4-inch solid carbide router bits with cut lengths of 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 inches and overall lengths of 3 and 3 1/2 inches. They're perfect for use with small shop CNC machines, Woodpecker's Morty loose tenon jig, and horizontal router systems like Multi-Router and Panta-Router. We have both upcut and downcut versions of both lengths. The 1 1/2 inch bits are an industry first in American-made solid carbide spiral bits, available exclusively from Woodpeckers. Solid carbide spiral bits cut cleaner and last longer than brazed carbide bits, but that performance has always cost more. Woodpeckers is closing the price gap by using the latest computerized grinding equipment and selling direct from the manufacturer to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages, just great bits at a great price. Which spiral router bit is right for you? Upcut bits are the best choice for solid wood. Downcut bits slice downward into the surface of the material. You'll get flawless, chip-free edges in veneer plywood and laminates. These straight spiral bits don't have a pilot bearing, so you'll want to use them with an edge guide, a trammel attachment, a horizontal router system, a CNC, or a router table with a fence. We're adding new sizes and profiles every week, so watch your inbox and visit our website to see what's new.